Have you lost an important file or have formatted the wrong drive? Now want to recover permanently deleted files for a formatted hard drive and are looking for 100% working data recovery software for Windows? Then this video is exactly for you. Watch the video full, and by the end of this video, you will also be able to recover permanently deleted files for formatted hard drive for absolutely free. Hey folks, Recvoer from EaseUS back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you how to recover any lost data on Windows in just minutes using the #1 data recovery tool, that is EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Fast, easy and even free. So let's get started to know how to recover permanently deleted files for formatted hard drive for free, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free official website. Now click free download. It starts downloading, and once EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free with all its features and capabilities. From here we can select a location to start Windows file recovery. At first it shows the internal drives from Windows device. Next we get option to recover deleted files from recycle bin, desktop, select a folder or cloud drive. Thereafter in advanced recovery we get SD card that helps to recover lost photos and videos from SD card. Next we get NAS and Linux recovery, and after that we get RAID data recovery. In last we get crashed PC recovery to rescue data from crashed computer. Now let's get started to know how EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free works with live example. Here I have connected my external hard drive and it shows up here. Now let's look for data that I have on my hard drive. See, it has a folder and few photos, videos and documents. Now let's format it, and for that simply right click and then select format. Now click start. Here we get a warning that formatting will erase all the data on disk. Click OK to format. Within seconds format completes, and here we have the confirmation. Click OK and then close this. Now let's recover permanently deleted files from hard drive for free, and for that select a drive and then click search for lost data. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free starts to look for deleted files, and within seconds it completes quick scan and it shows up the data that is available to be recovered. See, here we have our folder and files. A preview is also available for the same. We can preview other photos and videos as well. Now as we have found the files that we wanted to recover, we can stop deep scanning. But if you have not found your lost files after quick scan, let EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard complete deep scanning. And to stop deep scanning, click this. Now click stop. Once stopped, here we have confirmation. Scan complete with amount of data found. Here click go to recover. Now from here we can select the files we want to recover, or can also select all by clicking on this. Now to recover permanently lost files from Windows PC, click recover. Here we need to select location where we want to save recovered files. We can save them here in local drive, or can also save them in cloud storage like OneDrive, Google Drive or Dropbox. Let's save them in local storage, and for that click local. First, here we also get file repair option that is auto enabled. It helps to repair files during recovery. So if our files are corrupted, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard will also repair them during data recovery. Wow, that's simply amazing feature to have. Now to recover deleted files, select choose folder and click save. Here we need to select location where we want to save recovered files. Select desktop and then click select folder. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free starts to recover deleted files, and within seconds here we have confirmation. Recovery completed. Now to see recovered files, click view recovered. Here it opens up the folder containing our photos, videos, files and folders. See, our files are recovered in their original size. Let's open and preview some of them. And just like that, our files are back after being deleted from formatted hard drive. So no matter who you are, if you are looking for 100% working Windows data recovery software in 2025, then EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard has your back. I will highly recommend you all to try out EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free if you are looking for best data recovery software for Windows or Mac. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment, or you can also search for EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard free on Google now. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Development Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Hill. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to transfer Windows from HDD to SSD without losing apps and data. And today I wanna show you all best free AI tool to summarize PDF files and chat with PDF document for free.